on, guys? It's Friday at the shop, and I'm gonna take you on a little tour about some things we're doing.
Drop the camera as soon as I fucking do it. These are just tapped, bro.
How is it? So that right there is a little project for a local restaurant we're doing. Kind of a random project, but we took it on. Should be, you know, good fit for a manufacturing project. Plasma cut all the little brackets, and we got our boy Sam doing some welding, tacking it together, and that's going to be a pretty cool project. It's going to be a footstool for a bar.
Good.
Nice.
Rev it.
Oh, look who it is. Yo, give her a rev.
Here for you too.
Look at that. Give it a rev, dude. Oh, it's a garbage sounding motor. It's worse than an SR20.
Tell me how close I am, Sam.
You're good.
So that's Zach's new baby right there. Good for him to have a BMW again. So there's some DGM stuff. Continuing on, just doing a little printing. That's actually going to be displayed in DG across the street. It's going to hold a little center cap. But yeah, moving along with the projects here at DGM FG. Just did some really cool air ride brackets for a truck. Check out our Instagram for that. Now, getting back to some Porsche content. We have a new friend here. The rotisserie showed up. So I can actually go ahead and fix all that rust now. Got a lot to do before then, which I'm gonna show you now. So what I've gotten done lately, basically just stripping out more of the interior. Got the rear quarter windows out, doors off. I don't remember the last video I did on this car, so actually maybe the last video was just me getting it. But basically now I've just stripped a ton of stuff out of it, revealing more rust spots. Gonna get it on that rotisserie. So yeah, so that's the project. Basically clean it up, get the rust out of it, make it stable, get the motor in it, go from there.